Nature is full of patterns that show balance, beauty, and purpose. We see them in the stars, plants, animals, and even in the seasons. These patterns remind us that everything in life is connected: body, mind, and spirit. By exploring them, we not only learn about the world, but we also grow in wisdom, harmony, and deeper love of creation.
This is the example of pattern in nature called Fibonacci sequence, repeated on many more shapes.
It's the one example of pattern of the nature called fractals.
Hello everybody, this shape is called spiral. This spiral, you can find this one into vegetables, and this one I found this in Southern ACC Neffen Park, and I get this from Fashion Fruit where I found there in Southern Christian College, Neffen Park.
This is waves. This is the one of the example of the pattern of nature.
This is the one of the example of the bubbles came from rings, powder.
Hello everybody, this is what we called the color of stripe. The color of stripe I can find here in my sleeping mat where I have it in my bedroom.
This is the one example of pattern of nature called symmetry.
That's the end of our today's journey. I hope you got something meaningful out of it. Until next time, stay inspired and keep growing. Bye-bye!